got the perfect Island Vibes makeup look for your upcoming Halloween costume or a Tropical Vibes makeup worthy for your next vacation in paradise. If you're interested, please keep watching. First, I'm going to prime my face and use a product from MAC to prep and prime. I'm going to dab a little bit and put it on the top of my hand and use my favorite brush from Rare Beauty. To add color to my face, I'm going to use a combination of L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise in medium 01 and 02.
Oh yeah, make special memories.
Next, I'm going to conceal my under eyes with Rare Beauty concealer in the shade of 320W and their concealer brush.
You and me go to our favorite place.
Now I'm going to set my liquid foundation and concealer with Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder.
With you, Hawaii.
Next, I'm going to create some really beautiful brows. My favorite product is the ANATASIA Perfect Pencil Brow Pencil, and it glides on very well.
To put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me?
Next, I'm going to set my brow hairs in place with the Benefit Cosmetics 24-Hour Brow Setter Gel.
Not playing now, we're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away.
I want to make sure my eyeshadow colors stay in place, and I do that by using Urban Decay's Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I just use the back of my finger and just blend it all around my lid.
Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
For my Vibe Island look, I will be using Buxom Cosmetics Tiki Bar Eye and Cheek Palette. It's such a beautiful, beautiful palette, and it features colors that are just reminiscent of the islands, and we've got some eyeshadows here on one end, and then a cheek shade and a highlighter. So I'm going to use the color Tan Lines right here as the first base of my eyeshadow.
Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii.
I'm going to use the color Running Up at the corners of my eyes. Just sweep your color where the eye socket is back and forth and extend it a little bit towards the middle of the eye. Next, I'm going to be using this beautiful color called Sippin', and it is a shimmery sand color, and I'm going to apply it at the middle of my eyelid. And at the inner area of my eye, just right here, I want to emphasize that part, and I'm going to use the color Summer Fling.
No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite.
For eyeliner, I'm going to use the color Throwing Shade. It's a great mossy color that has some flecks of gold in it, and I am using a small angle brush. I like to start at the middle of my eye and extend the brush outwards. Keep applying product as you go. And then at the tail end, kind of create a flick there with the small angle brush.
With you, Hawaii.
Now it's time to line our lower eyelash. Same color, same brush.
I need a summer breeze, some fresh air.
Now with Essence Volume Booster Lash Primer, we're going to use that. Love the formulation. It works incredibly well and at a great value of about $5. Go ahead and brush your lower and upper lashes. Let's start with our lowers first.
We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away.
The mascara I'm using for just the lower lashes is from Benefit Cosmetics, their Bad Gal Bang Mascara. It has the perfect tapered wand with amazing little teeth to grip your lower lashes and give it the proper coverage that you need. while the lower lashes are drying, I'm going to take advantage of that time and start bronzing my face. Essence Matte Powder Bronzing Powder Palette. I have a larger angled brush. I'm going to start at the cheekbones. Kind of cover a little bit under my chin as well. My chin and jawline and the top of my forehead to give my face some dimension and depth. Next, I'm using a foundation brush that is tapered, and I find that this brush is firm, that it grabs a hold of the bronzing powder and gives me the precision that I need to contour my nose. My contour is a little bit wonky, but don't worry, I can blend it out with this cute little blending sponge. The lower lashes are dry, and it's time to get the upper lashes nice and thick with tons of volume by first applying the lash primer. Another product from Essence is their I Love Extreme Volume Mascara. It works so great. The wand is fat, it's huge, and it just really adds intense volume to your lashes. Just watch and see. Go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your... For my Tiki Girl look, Vibes Island Girl look, I feel like my lashes look incredible. I'm really happy with them. You guys can decide to add falsies if you want, but I'm just gonna stick with just using mascara. Now going back to the Buxom Tiki Bar Eye and Cheek Palette, let's dress up these cheeks, and we're gonna use the color Seychelles here. And to highlight the bridge of my nose and the tops of my cheeks, we're going to use the color Golden Hour. And before I move on to lipstick, I like to apply my setting spray, Urban Decay Ultra Matte. It's amazing. Give it a few sprays and your makeup will be set all day, all night long. I love this beautiful Sultry Island Vibes makeup, and I'm going to keep my lips simple. I'm going to use Buxom's Lip Balm. It's actually their full-on lip cream in the color Pacific Punch. Here's a final look for my Islands Vibe Halloween makeup. I think it looks so fun, very vibrant and sultry, beautiful tropical vibes, and the lip gloss makes my lips so juicy and hydrating. It's a really fun look, easy to put together. I got my headpiece and wristbands from Amazon and this cute little bikini top of seashells that is really fun to wear from Amazon as well. So I hope that you found this makeup tutorial for Island Vibes so fun and helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!